DSM is a Dutch-based multinational life sciences and materials sciences company. DSM's global end markets include food and dietary supplements, personal care, feed, medical devices, automotive paints, electrical and electronics, life protection, alternative energy and bio-based materials. DSM and its associated companies deliver annual net sales of about €10 billion with approximately 25,000 employees. The company is headquartered in the Netherlands, with locations on 5 continents. The company is listed on Euronext Amsterdam. History: DSM was established in 1902 as a state-owned coal mining company. Through the years the company diversified into fertilizers and other chemicals. After 1965, when the Dutch government took the decision to phase out all mining operations in the Netherlands, this diversification was accelerated. By the time the last mine closed, DSM had transformed into a chemical company. Since the 1990s, DSM has transformed itself again, selling almost all of its commodity chemicals activities and becoming a life sciences and materials sciences company. This second transformation is the subject of the book by Hein Truder and Jean-Pierre Jeanette, titled From Coal to Biotech: The Transformation of DSM with Business School Support. In 1989, the Dutch state floated 70% of its DSM shares on the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. The remaining 30% was floated in 1996, completing DSM's privatization. In 1998 the company took over the Dutch food products and biotechnology group Gisbricades. In 2000 it acquired the US company Koninklijke Pharmaceuticals. In 2002 DSM sold its petrochemical division to SABIC of Saudi Arabia. In 2003, DSM acquired the Nutritional Products business of Roche. In 2005 Neo Resins, the coating resins business of Avisha, was purchased. In 2010 the agro and melamine business groups were sold to Orascom Construction Industries. In February 2011 DSM finalized its acquisition of US-based Martech Biosciences Corporation. This acquisition was worth €700 million. In August 2011 DSM transferred its anti-infectives business to a 50/50 global joint venture with Sinochem Group, named DSM Sinochem Pharmaceuticals. In June 2012 DSM acquired Kenzie Nash, a US-based biomedical company primarily focused on regenerative medicine, and the following month it acquired Ocean Nutrition Canada, the leading global provider of fish oil-derived nutritional products to the dietary supplement and food and beverage markets. In December 2012 DSM announced that it had acquired Cargill's Cultures and Enzymes business, producing enzymes, polyunsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, cultures, probiotics, bioactives, preservation systems and tests. In the same month, DSM acquired US-based Fortitech. Fortitech provides customized food ingredient blends for the food and beverage, infant nutrition and dietary supplements industries from 6 production sites located worldwide. In April 2013 DSM acquired Tortuga Companhia Zootecnica Agraria, a Brazilian company manufacturing nutritional supplements for pasture-raised beef and dairy cattle. In March 2014 DSM and JLL Partners announced that DPX Holdings BV was operational. DPX Holdings, formed by combining DSM Pharmaceutical Products and Patheon Inc., is a provider of services, pharmaceutical products and select chemical products for other industries. DPX Holdings is 51% owned by JLL and 49% by Royal DSM. As a result, the former pharma cluster is excluded from DSM's core EBITDA, and the company reports on its investments in joint ventures as an associated account, in accordance with the equity method rather than as ongoing business. On 31 July 2015, DSM and CVC Capital Partners announced that with the formation of a new company, Koninklijke BV, a partnership for the DSM's activities in polymer intermediates and composite resins had been finalized. Koninklijke is 65% owned by CVC and 35% by DSM. As a result, the former polymer intermediates cluster and composite resins business are excluded from DSM's core EBITDA, and the company reports on its investments in joint ventures as an associated account in accordance with the equity method rather than as ongoing business. Name. The name DSM is the initialism of the company's original Dutch name, de Staatsmijnen. In the 20th century, the state-owned company operated 4 coal mines in the Netherlands: Staatsmijn Wilhelmina, Staatsmijn Emma, Staatsmijn Hendrik and Staatsmijn Maurits. In 1973, after the last mine was closed, the company decided to continue using the initials as its name. Activities. DSM's activities are currently grouped into 2 clusters: nutrition and performance materials. In life sciences, the company is active in nutrition. The nutrition cluster comprises DSM Nutritional Products and DSM Food Specialties. These nutrition and food ingredients businesses serve the food, feed, cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. The nutrition cluster has customized formulation activities in more than 40 locations and a marketing, sales presence reaching over 60 countries. Manufacturing technologies in the nutrition cluster are largely based on biotechnology, fermentation, chemical process technology and particle engineering. In February 2011, DSM finalized its acquisition of US-based Martech Biosciences Corporation for $1,087 million. This acquisition added new growth platforms for natural, healthy polyunsaturated fatty acids and nutritional ingredients. In materials sciences, the company is active in performance materials. The performance materials cluster comprises Dsm Engineering Plastics, Dsm Dyneema and Dsm Resins and functional materials. Their products are used in a wide variety of end-use markets: the automotive industry, the aviation industry, the electrical and electronics industry, the sports and leisure industries, the paint and coatings industry and the construction industry. DSM's former polymer intermediates cluster consisted of DSM fiber intermediates, which produces caprolactame and acrylonitrile, raw materials for synthetic fibers and engineering plastics. DSM's former pharma cluster comprised the business group DSM Pharmaceutical Products and DSM's 50% joint venture interest in DSM Sinochem Pharmaceuticals, leader in beta-lactam anti-infectives. Businesses. DSM Nutritional Products is the world's largest supplier of nutritional ingredients, such as vitamins, carotenoids and other fine chemicals to the feed, food, pharmaceutical and personal care industries. DSM Food Specialties is a manufacturer of food enzymes, cultures, yeast extracts and other specialty ingredients for the global food and beverage industries. DSM Food Specialties supplies advanced ingredients for the food industry, mainly manufactured with the aid of fermentation and enzyme technology. Among other technologies, these ingredients are found in well-known food brands for the dairy, baking, fruit juice, beer, wine, savory and functional food segments. Dsm Engineering Plastics manufactures polyamides, polyesters and extrudable adhesive resins. These materials are used mainly in technical components for the electrical and electronics, automotive, engineering and packaging industries. Dsm Dyneema is the inventor and manufacturer of Dyneema ultra-strong fiber. This fiber, based on ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, is used in many applications in various end markets, such as life protection, shipping, fishing, offshore, sailing, medical and textiles. DSM Resins and Functional Materials manufactures products used in a wide variety of applications such as coatings, adhesives and graphic arts. End markets include building and construction, transport and industry. DSM Resins and Functional Materials is also the world's largest manufacturer of fiber optic coatings.